Hey, what's up, everybody? So in front of you, we have the WARSUN T9 Pro LED flashlight. We can give you a full unboxing of it and a quick overview. But before we start, I do want to let you know that we do make a small commission when you do click on our links and make a purchase. So definitely click on the links. It'll definitely help us out. So here's the box. So inside the box, you get your user manual, you get your little wrist strap, USB-A to USB-C to charge it, and here is the flashlight. So here is a magnet, so this will attach to a magnetic surface. You have your WARSUN branding. You have your buttons here for power on, UV, laser, and flashlight. You have your belt clip. Here is the charging port. And here you have your LED, as well as UV. So let's go ahead and turn on the light. And to turn on the flashlight, just press the middle button, which is the power button. And there's three brightnesses. So you got 1, 2, 3 settings, and then you press the 4th time, it turns off. So again, 1, 2, 3. And this little light icon turns on this. So again, also 3 settings. 1, 2, 3. 4th click turns it off. And here is not only LED, but also blue light. So if you press this little dot right here, this turns on the blue light. You can see the little speck on my hand. Don't really see it, but with the blue light, you'll see it. Let's go ahead, turn off the lights, and give you a better look. So here on the table, you can't really see anything. Here you can see a little bit speck, but let me turn off the light. And now you're able to see anything UV related. This light will pick it up. So here's a close-up look of it. It's bluish, and you can see it has a little light to show you that it's on. And you also can't have both lights on, so if you have this side light on and you go ahead and try and turn on this one, both don't turn on, so this will take over, as you can see. And vice versa, if you have this on and you want to go back to this, you press the button, this will take over. So whatever button you press, it'll take over regardless of what light is on. And some other features other than your typical light, white lights, and UV is if you double press this button right here, this activates the red flashing strobe. If you press it once, it turns off. And if you press this button right here, this dot, if you hold it down, you get your red laser. Press it once, turns it off. Press it once again, and now you have your regular UV. But if you hold it down, changes over to red laser pointer. And with the main power button for the light, you have two options. If you hold it down twice, if you double press twice, you're in turbo mode, so it's the brightest setting. And if you hold it down, you get flashing white light. And just to quickly show you the magnet, here I just have a metal can. You can see, hold on pretty well. And it does require a bit of force to take it off. So that's the WARSUN T9 Pro LED flashlight. Till next time, see ya.